Yeah, we're outside walking and having fun. Me, my daughter, and it's kind of cold. And our humongous dog. Let me just show you around.
This is not a dog. He's a baby.
It's a she. Continue walking.
Let's go.
We're outside in nature,
This is not,
having fun.
this is not nature.
What is it?
A sea.
Well, it's nature. The sea is nature.
Turn around the camera. It's a sea. You
Yeah, that's
see?
the ocean. But the ocean and the trees and everything, they're in nature. Learn English. She's Greek speaking, so her English is perfect for our Greek. I want to go get something from the Peritro. It's like a little shack that sells cigarettes. So we went for a half-a-mile walk to get them. And now I'm going for a coffee to my mom's. Another half-mile from my house. Like they're in opposite directions. But look at where we're walking.
There are trees.
What else do you see?
Trees.
Look in front of you. I don't want you tripping and killing yourself.
Trees.
Is it cold today?
Yes.
But there's no snow here in Greece yet.
And they're rubbish.
There's rubbish all over the place. Yeah, that's Greece.
There are dogs.
Okay, we've been walking for a while and we're close to my mother's chicken coop. This is the way they have chicken coops in Greece, like in small villages. And her dog, which is barking. Let's get close to it. We eat lots of eggs. Olive trees all over the place.
There are chickens.
Yeah, let's go see them first, sweetie. Yeah, the dog will protect the chickens. Here they are, my mom's chickens.
Yes. And
This is where we get our free eggs.
And the dog is afraid of the dog.
Yeah, both dogs are afraid of each other. My mom pays for the feed, and we get the eggs free. Do we pay for Grandma's eggs?
No.
No.
Shut up, dog!
Maya, bad words. Sweetie. Whoopsies. And we continue our walk.
There are mountains with wolves. Fast.
These mountains have wolves. No, they don't. What? Wild animals?
Yes.
There's no wild animals, sweetie.
Yes, they are in.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there are somewhere there.
No, they're not.
Yes,
We're right beside the sea, so there's no wild animals here.
yes, they are.
No, there
Somewhere
aren't.
There.
If you see one, call me.
Yes, there is. There's a...
Because the dog was barking, I had to stop filming. See, there's my mother's house. We have to take the whole round.
No.
My mom has chickens. She pays for the feed. She sells her eggs. And we eat a lot of free eggs. Free range.
We have a lot
Yummy
of
eggs.
at home. They're not.
How many eggs do we have in the fridge right now? Do you know?
No.
Should I tell you?
Yes.
How much do you think?
40.
45 eggs. You were close. Guess what you're having for lunch tomorrow?
No, I don't want to.
Guess what you're having?
Okay.
What are you having?
And eggs.
You're having eggs. So let's continue. Let's go have a coffee at Grandma's.
And water.
Yeah, I'm thirsty too after almost a mile of walking.
And Bella.
Of course, Bella's gonna have some water too. She can have coffee.
She's not drinking coffee. And she is.
She's what?
What?
That's what I like. When you're unprepared for me to open the camera. Well, we had coffee. We also had orange juice. I wonder who had the orange juice.
Orange.
Not you. It was free. We got some fresh air. No, I hope it doesn't start raining.
And that dog was...
Yeah, the dog's gonna get wet.
No, the dog running away.
No, it's not gonna run away.
Okay, look. It's away.
Yay, see, my nice hat.
And mine too.
Who brought them, Santa Claus?
You.
I'm not Santa Claus.
The Santa Claus is not real.
Oh, yes, he is.
No.
Okay, they're Christmas presents.
Okay.
So we had coffee, we went out. I'm good for today.
Joe.
Because I hadn't been out of the house for, I don't know how many days has it been? 5, 6 days? We're stuck in the house?
Yes.
At last. At least it was free.
Go, doggy.
So look at the scenery as we're walking. Why take the car? It's a little bit cold, but we enjoyed it.
It's wet.
It's gonna rain.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Where do you think you're going?
You want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye to what? Okay, what does mommy say when she says bye in the video?
Bye.
My?
Channel.
No. Bye Frugal.
Mama.
Bye. Say it with me.
Bye.
Bye. My frugal cheapsteak family. Bye.